What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Good afternoon. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to another update on Optimism 2, or the OP coin, OP token. Still no circulating supply and market cap on CoinMarketCap. That's too bad. I would have loved to see it. Oh well. This is just that's nothing. But yeah, I wanted to do a quick update on it. It was requested, first of all, but apart from that, I mean, Optimism is falling quite hard. Right now it's around that $1 level, but we found our major support at around 90 cents, so the drop was pretty big. Even though coins like, or cryptos such as Bitcoin, if you compare it, like Bitcoin at this point of time was actually pretty bullish. And then it dropped down a little bit, but not as hard as Optimism. So, and I said that quite a lot of times. I think Optimism, it's on my watch list. I think it has a lot of potential for the long term, but it's what you tend to see with a lot of cryptos, right? So after the initial launch, that they drop down quite a bit. It's really what you see with a lot of cryptos, and you never know how far they are going to drop. And with Optimism, it seems like that downtrend is going on for pretty long. And we don't have any real numbers on the circulating supply, so we don't really know the inflation rate or the inflation in the price. The tokenomics aren't very clear. I just wouldn't invest in it right now, but I'm more of a long-term investor. I would maybe trade it, but for now, let's actually get into the video, because I do have an analysis on it. So what you can see, and we're going to paint a little bit. It's that actually was pretty fun. Did that in my stream. As you can see, we're just making lower highs and lower highs all the time, and in between you have like small uptrends, and right now a small uptrend, probably because I mean there's quite a lot of bullish momentum throughout the whole market. I mean, Bitcoin is around 30,500 again. I can definitely see that moving up towards 31,000 again. So there's quite a lot of optimism in the market, but and the pun was not intended. But if Optimism really wants to, I mean, something like this could definitely happen. The main resistance above here is 1.05 and 1.1. I do expect that we're going up to that level. But if we want to get out of this slump and out of this market structure, the thing we need to do is, I mean, it would be great to break out above that 50 EMA, the red line, which will in probably later today will actually line up with that 1.1 level. So if we break above 1.1, that would be great, because then, I mean, you still have this trend line, so you still have some danger of dropping down below that level instantly again. But at least that shows some bullish momentum, right? So that would mean some, at least a possibility to kind of consolidate between 1.2 and 1.05, which I think would be the most likely scenario to happen initially after breaking through. And after consolidating, we could actually start to think about a possible uptrend again, but it's too early right now to talk about that. But we're talking about that scenario, and we're forgetting one thing. It's going to be very difficult to break above 1.1. And if we'll just take another rejection off of that, and we're starting to drop down to $8.90, it's going to be dangerous. Because if we break down below 90 cents, I mean, the next real level is only around 80 and 75 cents, where I think 75 cents would be the more likely scenario to drop down to. So the main thing is that Optimism, and I'm sorry that this is more of a price analysis rather than a prediction, but I just don't feel comfortable by telling you that one of these two scenarios, so basically either this or that one of these two is more likely than the other. It's for now, it will really depend on how strong Optimism proves itself to be, first of all, and second of all, it will really depend on the market, how bullish it is, if we get some more bullish impulses and stuff. But yeah, so that's my quick update on Optimism. If you do have any questions left about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.